The agenda for today is to go through a quick introduction with some practical information. Then I will explain some of the changes that are made to the goods reception process, and we will also spend some time on a live demo in RamBase. My name is Cecilia, and today we are going to focus on the new application for receiving purchase goods and goods transfers. Note that this webinar will be recorded for training purposes. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask by using the chat functionality or save them to the end of this session. I will also kindly ask you to mute yourself during the presentation and unmute by the end if you have any questions or comments. So, the changes that have been made to the reception process is that we have divided this into two applications. The new one, RPP, or Receive Goods, is now used to receive purchased products and goods transfers, whereas GIN, or Goods In, is still used for productions, rental and service products, in addition to external work. This application will remain the same as for now. So what we have changed and added to this new application is, for example, enhanced and more easy filtering. RPP is used both for receiving products with and without assignments. This I will show you later on in the system. We have also added the possibility to validate fields such as product name and supplier's product name, and you can also easily inspect and follow up your own goods receptions. We have added a new function that can automatically set the goods reception, or SSA, to status 3, registered as stock. So now I will show you the main functionality of this application in the system. The new application is found under Logistics, Reception, and Receive Goods. As you can see, the filters have been moved to the top. Here you can easily type or scan, for example, the purchase order reference. You can also see that the system is automatically filtering as I type. This filter can also easily be wiped by clicking the Wipe Filters option. As I said initially, the application lists both products with and without assignments. Products without assignments or services are marked with this icon here. These are received by clicking the icon or highlighting and pressing Enter. Clicking OK will automatically set this item in status 4, and it will also be removed from your list. When receiving physical goods, you can either clicking on this icon or highlighting it and press Enter. This pop-up is enhanced by adding validation possibilities. Here you can scan a barcode or type, for example, the product name, and the system will validate that field. If I type a product name that is not matching what I have ordered, like this will be indicated with a yellow warning. If it's a match, you will get a check mark. What I mentioned is that you have an option for registering the goods reception as stock, and this will automatically set the SSA, or goods reception, to status 3. If you set a handling rule on the product, this will also be visible in the pop-up, like here, and in the menu grid there. Another functionality that we have added is multi-select. Our criteria here is that all items are from the same purchase order or purchase order response. Select the items by clicking on the status code and choose the menu option Forward Selected Items to Goods Receptions. Once you have completed this step, you can easily find your goods receptions by clicking the Follow Up Goods Reception button. So if I just deselect here, you have this menu option called Follow Up Goods Receptions. This will list all your goods receptions that are not registered as stock. So it's an easy tool for following up everything that needs labeling and so on. So that was all I wanted to show you regarding this new functionality. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free.